Good morning, children. Today we will be doing questions of exercise 3.5, in which we will be doing learning about cross multiplication method, which is one of the algebraic forms of solving a pair of linear equations. Now, the general form of a pair of linear equations is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So what you're going to do is first draw a straight line, mark out 4 parts like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Write x here, y here and 1 here. First of all, you have to see that you write it in the standard form, means all the values on one side and equal to 0. Then you will write the coefficients of b1, b2. For x, you start with the coefficients of b1, b2, then c1, c2, then a1, a2, and then b1 by b2. Then next step would be just write here x and cross multiply b1 c2 minus b2 c1. This is equal to y c1 a2 minus c2 a1. And the last one, write here 1 a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Then all you have to do is take x here and the last one. This value equate with this last one. So you have this number going up here. These are all numbers. So it goes up here and you get this as your answer. Same way for y, equate this one with this. Y upon C1 A2 minus C2 A1. When you it goes up there, you get this value. C1 A2 minus C2 A1. And the denominator is as it is A1 B2 minus A2 C1. Now we'll do some questions to understand it. Now what is the first question of your NCERT over here? They've given you here 4 equations and they've written here, which of the following pairs of linear equations have a unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions? In case there is a unique solution, then find it by cross multiplication method. The first equation given over here is x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. 3x minus 9y minus 2 is equal to 0. So check out. A1 by A2 is 1 by 3. B1 by B2, it turns out to be again 1 by 3 minus 3 upon minus 9, which is 1 by 3. And C1 by C2 is equal to minus 3 upon minus 2 or 3 by 2. So what have you concluded? That A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, not equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, it gives a parallel line and hence has no solution. Next one, second part, it is not written in the standard form. So just first write it in the standard form. Now to solve these equations by cross multiplication, we must first write it in the standard form. If you don't write it in the standard form and use this method or writing the equation, then this value turns out to be minus 1. Some places they solve it in that method also. But here we are solving it by this method. So we are going to first put all of them in the standard form. Put all the values on the left hand side. 2x plus y minus 5. Take the minus 8 also this side. Now this is in the standard form. So then write down what is your a1 by a2? 2 by 3. b1 by b2 is half. C1 by C2 is minus 5 upon minus 8. You have to keep the minus as it is. Don't cancel it here now. So here you will write x. Again draw a straight line. 4 parts. First, between the first two x. Second part y, third part 1. Then you can just write these values. We start with the coefficients of x, that is 1 by 1 and 2, minus 5 minus 8, 2 by 3. Can you see the order? This, then this one, minus 5 by 8. Then you go to 2 by 3 and again 1 by 2. So you see that b1 by b2 is coming twice. b1, b2, b1, b2. Means you start from here, this, and you end it again with b1 and b2. What we are going to write, just see now, x cross multiply. Can you see this? A cross multiply. 8 with minus 1 is minus 8 with 1, minus 8. Minus, within bracket it is minus 10. Can you see this? It is minus, and when you multiply this, it's minus 10. Okay, the next one, y minus 15 minus, again this is minus 16, is equal to 1. What is this now? 4 minus 3. Then we come down here and we'll equate the first one with the last so that we get to get the value of x. So what is this now? Simplify. X is equal to minus 8 plus 10. And this turns out to be y upon minus 15 plus 16 is equal to 1 by 1. So 8 upon x upon 2 is equal to 1. So what is my x? Equal to 2. And this value, y upon 1 is again equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. So you've got a value of x and y. Simple? Are you understanding it? You just have to first write it in the standard form. After you write the standard form, draw a straight line, 4 parts, x, y, and 1. Write the values, start writing the values of b1. b1, b2 means the coefficients of y. This one. 1, 2, minus 5, 8, 2, 3, and again 1, 2. So you have to start with the center. Start writing the coefficients of y. And then all you do is cross multiply. You don't have to learn up any formula here. Just learn it up. X, cross here, minus this. Y, cross multiply here, minus cross multiply this. 1, cross multiply, minus this. And then equate first with the number last, second with the last again to get your x and y values. Then go to the third one. Third one, you will find that when you do A1 by A2, B1 by B2, and C1 by C2, they all are turning out to be half. 3 by 6 is half. Minus 5 minus 10, again half. 20 by 40 is also half. So this set of equations will have infinitely many solutions. So we're not really going to find out the value of x and y. The fourth one now, see here. A1 by A2 is 1 by 3, B1 by B2 is minus 3 minus 3. So we have got A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So there is a unique solution. So let's see how we're going to solve it. It's written in the standard form first. Yes, it is written in the standard form. So what are my A1, A2? 1 by 3, minus 3 by 3, and C1 by C2 is minus 7, minus 15. You have tried minus 7, minus 15. Okay, so now here, what is this x? It will be minus 3, minus 3. Minus 7, minus 15. Then 1 and 3. And the last one is minus 3, minus 3. You have to write it with the signs also. See? Minus 3, minus 3. Minus 7, minus 15. 1, 3. And here again, minus 3, minus 3. Next step would be, after I write the x, what is this now? Minus and minus becomes plus 45 minus. These two when you multiply, I am getting minus 21. Is equal to y. What is this? Minus 21. When you multiply this, it is minus of 15. Is equal to, what is this now? Minus 3 minus of minus 9. Simplify it a little bit. X is equal to 24 is equal to y upon minus 21 plus 15 is equal to 1 upon minus 3 plus 9. So x by 24 is equal to y upon minus 6 is equal to 1 by 6. So this with this last one. X upon 24 is 1 by 6. So x is equal to 4. X by 24 is equal to 1 by 6. The 6 is cancelling out here. Y by minus 6. So it becomes y is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 1. This is a cross multiplication. If you do a few more, you will find it quite easy to do. But now let's go to the next question, which we will be doing in this next assignment. Let's see what is it.